Ayan, Kalakwachero is their second day here in the Netherlands ng aking pinsan, Emily, and my baby, Crisel. Ayan ang aking pinsan, oh. Nasa Cube House. At ayun si Crisel. Dito kami sa may hagdan. Siyempre, malapit lang to sa amin, kaya ang mga bisita namin is not complete without bringing them in the Cube House here in Helmond. Actually, this is the first Cube House in the Netherlands before the one in Rotterdam. But the one in Rotterdam, there's so many. Yeah, we're in Helmond, and this is the second day of my dear cousin Emily here in the Netherlands. O ayan, kaya lakwatsa. At you see, all the puno patay pa, wala pang dahon. And after, thank you so much, may pabulaklak uli kami from Jamie's partner, Valentine. Ang ganda-ganda ng aming bulaklak because it's a Women's Day. At ayan si Ate Emily with Bryce. Oh, diba? Picture with Bryce.